Okay, okay, yo para pa yo. Final result, el final, ya wa. I couldn't put it all in because I thought, what am I doing? What's this? Are you that hungry? Are you that stupid? Well, look, down here we got this chicken Kiev. I got some onion. Someone is burned, but we can get the burn out of the onion. And I got some potatoes, right? It's cooked. It's hot as a motherfucker, right? Now I put some of those potatoes, amigo, potatoes. Hola, good potato. Over here, look. I got the potato with the onion right there. Potato, onion with the different herbs. Like they put some of this, a bit of this one. Right? I am a loco, compadre. Pero le puse esta wea, pues, original chile. Le puse ahí adentro. Aquí. And the chili, and the other herbs. This one is the chili. This little thing. Okay, we got that pattern. Okay, look, it's there, but it's down here, see? Here, see, it's got mushroom, pepino, ¿cómo se llama la weá? Y esta otra hoja verde. Y este juguito, ¡push! ¡Qué rico la weá! Ya, nea. Mira, amigo, hola conmigo. Tengo que poner esto aquí, pues, weón. Algo así, ahí. Pero, ¿cómo? Por cintura, con la cuchara. Y este weón está haciendo pura weá, pues, yo. Off your head, mate. You rub it in, mate. Qué parín, mate. Qué parín yo. Ok, mira, lo puse todo así. Now it's like this. Corta la weá, pues. What are you doing, man? ¿Qué tal? What are you doing, man? Okay, it's like this. And it's got the chicken. It's all cooked. Esto punto para adentro, po. And mix. I don't know. It's hard to cut, eh? I should have cut it smaller. But it's got all the vegetables. It's got green vegetables, carrot. No, it doesn't have carrots. I forgot to put the other veggies, but it's good, mate. It's good at this. Mira, no sé qué cortas when I cut. Ah, you stupid. Cut, you idiot. Okay, what we do, so it's got all the veggies, it's got onion, chilies. Very nice, man. This is with the chicken. So it's got chicken, the green leaf, potato, onion, and mushroom. I'm gonna go and eat it and watch some football, rugby. Here in Australia we call it rugby. It's called National Rugby League, Australia, where the national teams play from Sydney to Canberra to Melbourne, and they play rugby league. My family is Chilean. I'm from the south of Chile. I'm from Chile. I don't know. I'm a very nice person. Champion. Boxing. Si quieren pelearme, weón, me da el cuchillo. El cuchillo, weón. Cállate, culiao. No, po. No, fighting with a knife, nothing. I love you. And most important is to be nice and be healthy. This is the food I cooked today. It's got chili powder, nice soup. It's got chicken, Kiev with garlic in it. Looks like this. It's got all different veggies, and it's very, very nice. It took me only 35 minutes. 35 minutes. And you will not believe it, it's very nice. I got water to make coffee. In Australia, it's a little bit hard, but not so hard. A little bit soft, but not so soft. If you look at yourself in the mirror, or you look at yourself or you tap yourself, you move yourself, be nice to yourself, things will happen to you, my friend. Beautiful things. You'll be talking to God. God, Jesus Christ died on the cross for us humans. And anything you will do. I smoke cigarettes, I do this crazy thing. It's not about sex, it's not about porno, it's not about crazy, it's not about this. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Chiquito poquito, what is peccato? I love you so much, I love you so. Get, exercise, walk outside, do something, plan your day. Move the head. I touch the window, I touch the house, I touch myself. I love. Relationship and everything. You will support yourself, you will clean your act, you will learn, you will create, you will make more. I know. Anyway, I'm Hector. El Chileno. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thought it's called Intermix Hector, but you can subscribe. Soy El Chileno. Viva la raza, hombre. Chao. Mira que la comida. Esto va como 40 y no sé cuántos minutos, weón. Esto es muy rico. It's got everything. Onion, everything's got garlic. It's everything. Okay. I love you and do loud things. If somebody does something, you say, I love you. If somebody says thank you, I love you. Somebody needs to go out, I love you. You need to prepare for plan or learn or something. Do it. Learn. If you don't learn the Bible or you don't learn your religion, you don't learn your body, you don't learn anything, you're fucked. Get the fuck out, mate. Get the fuck out. Do some exercise. Be much better. Be a champion. Tell the lady that you love. You love. Subscribe to Intermix Sector.